there is what we call a critical time period for visual development. So vision develops between 0 and somewhere around 8 years old. If a child needs glasses and they don't get glasses when they're, say, 4 or 5, their vision may be irreversibly damaged. Vision affects them in many areas if they don't have it treated properly. Learning is number 1 through 100. Because if you can't see well, how do you learn? How do you read? And of course, at young ages, that's when children start school, they start looking at books, and so that whole stimulation is affected if they can't see well. So we always want to do what's best for the family and for the child. And we try to work with our optical shop and whatever resources we have to provide these families with whatever they need to make the vision better for their child. Unfortunately, it's tough. I can't really put words to how much it would mean to these families and to these children. Even a little bit of philanthropy could go so far and make a huge difference in their life.